Observing conditionality, step by step. Find a comfortable posture, sit upright but relaxed, close your eyes gently, take a few deep breaths in and out, allow the body to settle, allow the mind to soften. Notice, calmness itself is conditioned. It arises when distractions are set aside, when attention rests on the breath. Let this awareness of conditionality be your foundation. Bring attention to the body. Notice sensations. When a pleasant feeling arises, observe carefully. Does it condition craving, the desire to hold on to it? When an unpleasant feeling arises, observe. Does it condition aversion, the wish to push it away? When a neutral feeling arises, observe. Does it condition ignorance, the tendency to overlook it? Do not judge. Simply notice the chain, feeling, craving. See how suffering begins with this simple link. Now bring attention to the present moment. Notice how mindfulness conditions clarity. As mindfulness strengthens, wisdom arises, insight into impermanence, suffering, and non-self. Observe. When mindfulness is present, wisdom follows. When mindfulness is absent, confusion arises. See how mindfulness conditions wisdom and wisdom conditions freedom. Notice thoughts as they arise. See how perception conditions recognition. The mind labels the thought. See how volition conditions action, the intention to follow the thought or let it go. Observe how mindfulness can condition restraint, choosing not to act on every thought. Notice the chain, thought, volition, action. See how conditionality shapes behavior. Notice how attention conditions concentration. When attention is scattered, concentration weakens. When attention is steady, concentration strengthens. Notice how concentration conditions calm. A calm mind is not random. It is conditioned by steady attention. Notice how calmness conditions insight. A peaceful mind sees reality more clearly. See the chain. Attention, concentration, calm, insight. Observe how each moment arises and ceases. See how impermanence conditions wisdom. Notice that phenomena arise due to conditions, not due to a permanent self. See how non-self is conditioned by insight. Reflect. All conditioned phenomena are impermanent. Liberation is realized when conditions cease. As we end this meditation, reflect on the chains you have observed on feeling conditioning, craving, mindfulness conditioning, wisdom, thought conditioning, action, attention conditioning, concentration, calm, and insight. Carry this awareness into daily life. See conditionality in each moment. Let it guide you toward freedom.